Hello and welcome to Edison TV. I'm your director at Edison, and today I'm joined by Jakub Czarzasty, who's CEO at MediPay, a fintech providing consumer finance and so-called care now, pay later solutions via B2B partnerships with beauty and medical facilities, allowing their clients to pre-finance treatments. Jakub, thanks for joining us today.
It's a pleasure for me. Thank you.
Maybe you can start by giving us some background on MediPay and the market it serves.
Oh, you said a lot about us because you said that we are a fintech, and yes, that's true. We are a lending company, but we are exist in a real niche because we lend the money in a medical and the beauty market. And recently we started to lend the money in car insurances too. So yes, that's to make the story short. In this free environments we are existing.
Thank you. And now it would be helpful to understand how the financing of medical and beauty treatments works in Poland, and how does this support MediPay's business model?
In Poland we've got a public and a private healthcare. So of course we are existing in the second one because the situation in Poland is like we've got quite high level of in the public medicals and beauty. Unfortunately, we've got very, very long lines to the specialists and hospitals. That's why many people decided to go to the private healthcare. That's why our installments plan and our postponed payments works very well in Poland. So I can say that we are just some kind of bridge between the clinics and the patients. So we deliver some solutions to payment in the private healthcare. That's how it works.
Thank you. That's helpful. Maybe you can now shed some light on your competitive advantages, especially in terms of your embedded finance model, the strong relationships you have with clinics and beauty salons, and your cost of risk.
I can say that our advantage is that we started 15 years ago, and no banks, no lending company didn't want to do it. Of course, it was some kind of coincidence, but this is a story for another meeting, I guess. But nobody in the clinics has more than 2 or 3 minutes to make payments with the clients, especially with the payments. If we are talking about the postponed on installments plan, so that's why 15 years ago we heard a lot from the specialists, from the doctors, from the owners' clinics, how it should work, and then we decided to deliver some proposal, dedicated installments plan system. So that was our advantage, and I'm pretty sure that because we just have eaten the biggest piece of the cake, that's why we are the first in Poland now.
Thank you. This has definitely been an interesting journey for you. And now, in terms of your most recent developments, I think an important highlight was that you secured a new financing agreement with Aion Bank. So maybe you can also talk us through that.
It's true. And a few months ago, exactly in the last days of September, we started to cooperate with one of the biggest bank group in Europe. I mean, UniCredit. Before this big group, we got a cooperation with Fortress investment group. So it was a great partner. But now we exchange it. That's true. And today we've got some achieved that our figures in the next year, especially if we are talking about the net income, will be look great because today we've got a much cheaper debt, so it will collaborate as the better and better our figures in the next year. But of course, I cannot tell you any details because it's a fully confidential. But I can only say that it's, up till now, the cooperation is really, really great with UniCredit.
Thank you. I'm sure investors will soon be able to find out with your upcoming results announcement next year. And then finally, it would be good also to hear more about your new product initiatives. Of course, you've already mentioned the car insurance financing product, which is a very important growth project for you. So maybe you could tell us more about it and any other product initiatives you are currently working on.
Yeah, we have just launched two quite new business lines. This first is insurance, car insurance. That's true, but we started a project together with Visa, and we are launching our MediPay card from the first days of January 2026. So we will see how it's look like. It's brand new lines, and we've got some expectation to rising our revenue minimum 20-30% next year, thanks to this new line of products. So yeah, that's true. That's two lines: insurance and MediPay card together with Visa.
Jakub Czarzasty, CEO of LMPay. Thank you for this very interesting conversation.
Thank you very much.